What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to find and download special effects and motion graphics to use on your projects for free. This is gonna boost your projects, okay, your productions. Just go to Google, but before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After, type production crate, just like this, and go to this first result. You can search right here, okay, we have VFX SFX, okay, sound effects, graphics, and 3Ds, okay, all up to you and to your needs. But there is some amazing things that you can search. For example, let's explore magic powers. Here is the lighting power. You can choose the format, the size, and all you have to do is download, okay? As soon as you click on download, you're gonna be requested to create an account. You can log in with Google or with Production Care Studio. There is a license. You must agree, and you have your account and you can download your things. Let me choose another effect. Let me go back to home page. Let's, for example, find some vehicle options. There is some amazing 3Ds of vehicles right here. This bus is cool, for example. Can you see a fancy 3D of this bus is cool? Let me choose a normal 1K and let's download. As you can see, there is some ones that are only for premium users and there is other ones for free users, like every single tool. This one is free, you can download. These other ones with stars, you can download unless you upgrade your plan, okay? The same happens for every single option right here. And you can explore what you need. For example, social buttons, in the case that you want to upload this on your videos, for example. Let me find some nice ones. This one is free and you can download. Easy, right? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!